أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ثم بعثنا من بعدهم موسى وهارون إلى فرعون وملئه بآياتنا فاستكبروا وكانوا قوما مجرمين.
Then, after them, we sent Moses and Aaron with our proofs to Pharaoh and his dignitaries, but they acted arrogantly. They were sinful people.
فلما جاءهم الحق من عندنا قالوا إن هذا لسحر مبين.
And when the truth came to them from us, they said, "This is clearly sorcery."
قال موسى أتقولون للحق لما جاءكم أسحر هذا ولا يفلح الساحرون.
Moses said, "Is this what you say of the truth when it has come to you? Is this sorcery? Sorcerers do not succeed."
قالوا أجئتنا لتلفتنا عما وجدنا عليه آباءنا وتكون لكما الكبرياء في الأرض وما نحن لكما بمؤمنين.
They said, "Did you come to us to divert us from what we found our ancestors following, and so that you become prominent in the land? We will never believe in you."
وقال فرعون ائتوني بكل ساحر عليم.
Pharaoh said, "Bring me every experienced sorcerer."
فلما جاء السحرة قال لهم موسى ألقوا ما أنتم ملقون.
And when the sorcerers came, Moses said to them, "Throw whatever you have to throw."
فلما ألقوا قال موسى ما جئتم به السحر إن الله سيبطله إن الله لا يصلح عمل المفسدين.
And when they threw, Moses said, "What you produced is sorcery, and Allah will make it fail. Allah does not foster the efforts of the corrupt."
ويحق الله الحق بكلماته ولو كره المجرمون.
And Allah upholds the truth with His words, even though the sinners detest it.